Hello. Welcome to our room. This is a balcony suite. Balcony room. When you walk in, first off, you're going to hit the linen cupboard. Well,
closet?
Massive closet. Yeah. And they give you plenty of hangers. You can always ask for more. Here, lovely shelving. Simple little passport holder for your goodies.
Little safe.
Little safe. And then manager step. Ooh, nice little toilet, ensuite sort of setup. Towels. You sometimes have to ask for face washes too. Very cute. Oh yeah, and make sure when you're showering to tuck that into the shower because otherwise you're going to get a big old flooded mess. Isn't that right? Okay. Coming out of there, you've got some hangers there for your towels. Yeah. Aircon. So first thing you check is make sure it is on cold. I like it all the way down to the bottom because it gets hot. Lovely bed. I can't wait to jump on it, but I won't because I'm trying to do a nice room tour. Lovely. Put your suitcases down, unpack. That's what we do. Suitcases straight under the bed. Save the room. It's only a couple of days cruise, so you can just pop them into there. What else have we got? Power switches. I think they're new. Didn't have them before, did they?
I think the P&O ones do. They have them on the because it's an Australian sailing. But you've also
got your
got
outlets here.
some American ones over there.
Yep. Bedside drawers. Little desk. Lovely drawers.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Out on the balcony. Sorry, yes, TV. Fridge is right underneath. Sorry, I'll get to that. A lot of people say it's best to leave that open just to keep it cool. Ooh, upgrades, new fridge. It's got shelves. Lovely. Yes, they get you water. I don't mind the tap water here. Balcony. Look at this. Lovely wet day. Careful, it's slippery. Oh, they don't have the flooring anymore. That's okay. I think we won't be sitting out here tonight. Here's what it is. Keep that shut so it's nice and cool. You got your blockout curtains. Lovely. Oh, old lady room. Yes, just met Jerome, lovely little fella. He's come in and say, I'm going to help you with anything. They're really nice on this cruise. Have I missed anything? That was the quickest room tour ever.
That's good.
Alright, make sure you like and subscribe and follow us on Wandering Warsleys. That's it.
Until then, speak to you next time.